Octopuses are unlike any other animal you will ever find in the ocean. At first glance, they may seem like strange, squishy sea creatures with long arms, but the truth is that these animals are full of mysteries, abilities, and secrets that will blow your mind. One of the most unbelievable facts about them is that they have 3 hearts. 2 of these hearts are responsible for pumping blood to the gills so they can breathe, and the 3rd heart pumps blood to the rest of the body. Here's the strange part: when the octopus swims, the heart that pumps to the body actually stops beating. This is one of the reasons why octopuses prefer crawling along the ocean floor rather than swimming constantly. And their blood isn't even red, it's blue. This is because it contains a copper-based molecule called hemocyanin, which is much better than iron at carrying oxygen in cold, low-oxygen waters where many octopuses live. Their appearance is also incredibly adaptable. An octopus can change the color of its skin almost instantly, but it doesn't stop there. It can also change the texture of its skin to match the surface it's on, whether that's smooth sand, rough coral, or even seaweed. This amazing transformation is made possible by special skin cells called chromatophores, iridophores, and leucophores. The color change helps them hide from predators, sneak up on prey, and sometimes even send signals to other octopuses. The speed of this camouflage is breathtaking. They can vanish into their surroundings in less than a second. In the underwater world, where danger is everywhere, this is a life-saving skill. But camouflage is just the beginning. Octopuses are among the most intelligent invertebrates on the planet. Scientists have observed them solving puzzles, figuring out mazes, and even unscrewing jars to get to food inside. In some aquariums, octopuses have been caught escaping from their tanks at night, crawling across the floor, stealing food from nearby tanks, and returning before anyone noticed. This level of problem-solving shows not only intelligence but also memory, curiosity, and planning, qualities we usually associate with mammals, not sea creatures. Their ability to learn from experience makes them stand out in the animal kingdom. Physically, they are just as impressive. Because they have no bones, they can squeeze through openings no bigger than a coin, as long as their hard beak can fit through. This flexibility allows them to hide in tiny crevices to avoid predators or sneak into tight spaces while hunting. Their 8 arms are lined with hundreds of powerful suckers that can grip with surprising strength, and each arm is capable of acting almost like it has a mind of its own. In fact, more than half of an octopus's neurons are located in its arms rather than its central brain, which means their limbs can process information and react to the environment independently. It's like having 9 brains, 1 central brain and 1 mini-brain in each arm. Some species take their abilities even further. The mimic octopus, for example, can impersonate other dangerous sea animals like lionfish, flatfish, and even venomous sea snakes. By copying the appearance and movement of these creatures, the mimic octopus can fool predators into thinking it's too dangerous to attack. Others, like the blanket octopus, use their long, flowing arms as a dramatic display to intimidate threats. These strategies show just how creative and resourceful octopuses can be when it comes to survival. Their life cycle is another fascinating but bittersweet fact. Most octopuses have a short lifespan, living only 1 to 2 years, although the giant Pacific octopus can live up to 5. After mating, the male dies within months, and the female spends her remaining time guarding her eggs, gently cleaning and protecting them until they hatch. During this time, she doesn't eat at all, dedicating her entire life to ensuring her offspring survive. Once the eggs hatch, the female also dies, leaving behind a new generation to continue the cycle. Every discovery about octopuses seems to raise more questions than it answers. How can a creature with such a short life be so intelligent? How did they evolve such advanced camouflage and problem-solving skills? The more scientists study them, the more mysterious they seem. From their blue blood and 3 hearts to their incredible disguises and near-genius intelligence, octopuses remain one of the most fascinating and mind-blowing creatures in the ocean. Watching them in action feels like seeing a living alien, one that has mastered survival in ways we are only beginning to understand.